Is Frodo going to deserve this hat at the end of this video? Hi there, this is Frodo and I'm Kaatje and we are from Steps by Kaatje and we are on part 6 of the SGR Haspengouw or Puppy project, which is a 129 kilometer or 80 miles hiking trail around my house. We are gonna walk day 11 today and we have plans to walk 80 kilometers. So I hope you'll join me on this little one. So let's put on our hat. Start walking. Go. For those who have been following me, well, you know that I had the quit last time, so you're wondering how I'm doing right now. So my wrist, a lot better. It has been 2 weeks, so yeah, I still feel it sometimes, but it's okay. My ribs, on the other hand, I still feel them, but the doctor said, oh well, you'll have some pleasure with it for about 5 to 6 weeks. So. I think there's someone we know, right, Frodo? So this is Nina, that's my daughter, and that way she can pick me up when I fall again, right? On my last video I said it was about time that we would put on some backpacks on Frodo. So I got the old ones from Luna and I thought let's put them on empty for the last 5 kilometers of this trip or of this walk for today. Okay. quite easy to add. I already had the harness on this morning, so that way I only have to attach it in the 4 corners. So. And now Frodo is all set to go with his own backpack, right? Oh. This was it for day 11 on our SGR Haspengouw. We hiked 18 kilometers today, and Frodo hiked with his empty backpacks for the last 5 kilometers. He did really good. So, and if you were wondering how we did the transportation, well, over lunch, you know, you saw my daughter was there, so we went to fetch my car at the first parking lot, put it at the end of this hike. That's where we're just about down there a little bit. And so now I have my car, so thanks Nina for helping me out. Alright, so but this is it. Join me for the next part. We're back on the last day of the SGR, this is day 12. We're gonna walk about 9 kilometers today on the SGR, and then afterwards about 3 kilometers to go home. But the question is Frodo going to deserve this hat at the end of the day? Today Frodo is wearing his backpacks, and I added in each one half a liter of water. Good job. It's important that there is the same amount in each side of the backpack, so I'm gonna give Frodo some water. I have to make sure that I drink about the same. So if you're wondering how I'm organizing my transportation for today, well, I took my car to the starting point and I'll take my foldable bike later today to get the car back. Simple. We are back where we started in October 2021. What are we going to do? Well, we are going to start a little project for Frodo and I. Now it's the end of May 2022 and we're finished with our SGR Haspengouw, which is a long distance trail of about 129 kilometers, 80 miles around my house. We did 12 days of hiking, mostly half days because it was a puppy project. We slept out 3 times, once in a one-person tent and then 2 times in a 2-person tent, which worked out better for me for sure. I have put on the last 2 days, I had put on some backpacks on Frodo, the first time empty, and today he was carrying 2.5 liters of water, so 1 kilo extra, so I think that's perfect. Normally I think I can put up to 3 kilos, maybe 4, but that's a bit much. But I think that's nice, so that if we go on longer hikes, he can carry his own food. But I don't know about you guys, but I think he deserves a real graduation. Don't you think? Happy graduation, Frodo! Alright, this was it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and walking with me on this SGR Haspengouw project. Next week I'll have another adventure probably. I hope you join me again. So if you don't want to miss it, please do subscribe, give me a like, ring the bell, and then I'll see you on the next one. Alright, so bye!